Hello everyone, today I have my August 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag. This is the $12 a month bag. I also got some add-ons. Jam-packed. I only got 3 add-ons. Okay, everything's out. The 3 add-ons I got were hand sanitizer with moisturizers and aloe, and another hand sanitizer. I don't know what really is the difference between them. But anyways, these were $3 each. And then I got this Thrive Cosmetics mascara because everyone raves about this. And it was also $3 for the mini. Sorry, my cat is being weird. Can anyone guess which cat it is? But anyways, to what is in my glam bag. I have this Mind Tan exfoliating coffee scrub that I got in my bag. I'm not sure how much this was. I forgot to look up the prices before I got on here or see what all is the full size and whatnot. I will put it on the screen when editing because I film with my phone. Pull out the card here, and the August 2020 theme is "The Future is Yours." And here is the bag, and they no longer put the products there. The first thing I'm pulling out of the bag is this Estate Going Nutty Pressed Bronzer. Has coconuts on the packaging, and this is what it looks like. The next thing I'm pulling out is from It Cosmetics, and it is the Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Skin Transforming Pillow Cream. It's that. And it is this purpley pinky color, and it is full. And the last 2 products are this Beauty for Real Shadow Stick in Midnight Marathon. I believe this is a full size. I think that bronzer was too. I'm not sure though. And then this is what I picked, and this is the AM to PM Lottie London eyeliner in a Sunburst. That's the color. So I will get the prices for the full-sized items in a little bit. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye.